how to make $500 a day. How are you doing? My name is Terry Cunningham, known as Jamaica Income Guy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $500 a day. So if you're interested, watch this video to the end. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified of any video I upload as soon as I upload it. I always do video like this, how to go about making money online, okay? And I'm going to show you a program that allows you to make $500 a day starting from scratch without any technical skill, okay? And this program called ClickBank. So what I need you to do is go to www.clickbank.com. You're going to create your free ClickBank account. And to create your free ClickBank account, when you land on this page, when you visit www.clickbank.com, you're going to land on this page. When you land on this page, you're going to click on create account. When you click on that, it's going to allow you to create your ClickBank account for free. Guys, ClickBank allow you to earn money online, and this is the program that we're going to use to make $500 a day, step by step. So when you click on create account, it's going to take you to this page. So all you need to do is fill out all these necessary information like your country, first name, last name, phone number, email address and password. You can see it is 100% free to join, so you want to fill out all those information. So you want to fill out all these necessary information, and you want to go to the email that you use to sign up with ClickBank to confirm your ClickBank account. ClickBank is going to send you an email for you to confirm. So you're going to confirm that email to access your ClickBank account. So when you confirm that email and log into your ClickBank account, you want to go to the marketplace. When you go to the marketplace, we're going to look for a special product that allow me or you or anyone to make $500 a day. I'm just going to log in to my demo ClickBank account to find the product that allow us to earn $500 a day, okay? So I'm logging into my ClickBank account to show you guys real proof that ClickBank allow anyone to make $500 a day or even more. So when you're on your ClickBank account, you want to go to the marketplace. When you click on the marketplace, you're going to look for a special product. The product name Learn Submit. So you're going to type in LURNSUMNIT and hit search to find the special product that we're going to promote that allow us to earn $500 a day. And this is the product we're going to use to make the $500 a day. As you can see, this product allow us to earn over $500 a day. As you can see, it is $568.82. And to get this product to promote, you're going to click right here. For you to earn this money, you want to promote this product, and for you to get this product to promote, you want to click right here to get this product to promote. And this is the product that's going to allow us to earn $500. Yes, over $500 a day. So when you click on promote, it's going to open a new tab where it's going to ask you to fill out a few information, which is your account nickname and your tracking ID. So for now, if you have not yet seen your account nickname right here, you need to fill in your account username that you use to sign up with ClickBank in the account nickname box. So make sure your username is right here. And for tracking ID, you can just leave that blank for now. And what you're going to do next is click on generate app link. When you click on generate app link, it's going to give you a link. This is the link that ClickBank gives us to promote, to make $500 a day by selling the product. What enough people do, enough affiliate, them would just come here and copy this link, right, and send this link to people like on Facebook or YouTube or any given place them use to send people the link. And this is a wrong way. Never you send people to this raw link. Reason why? Most people who visit this raw link for the first time don't take purchase. They do not make a purchase. Okay? So you never want to send someone to this raw link. If you want to make money, you need to set up something like this. Instead of you send them to this link, you send them to a page like this. This page allows you to capture information like name and email, and you want to capture information like name and email or email. So never send someone to this page without capture them email or them email and them name. Okay, you need a page like this to capture those information. And if you don't know how to set up a page like this, all you need to do is click the link in the description. Get your free ClickFunnels account and comment below this video. Send me the free funnel and I will send you this funnel that you can use to make $500 a day or even more, promoting any given making money online product. Okay, so if you're interested, click the link in the description, get your ClickFunnels account and comment below this video. Send me the free funnel and I will send you access to this funnel. When I send you this funnel, you're going to click the link and it's going to load in to your ClickFunnels account. So what you need to do is just go right here and go to funnels. When you click on funnels, you're going to see the funnel that load in to your ClickFunnels account for free without you have to do any work. So I already take care of all these work for you. I already set up this funnel for you. So all you need to do is get a ClickFunnels account by clicking the link in the description of this video and comment below, send me the free funnel and I will send you a link that you can just click on and it will load into your ClickFunnels account. When it loads into your ClickFunnels account, you're going to go to funnel, and when you go to funnel, you're going to see this funnel. You're going to click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to a page that allow you to edit the funnel. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on edit, and when you click on edit page, it's going to edit a page like this. So what you need to do is just go right here to settings and go to general. When you go to general, it's going to allow you to add your unique affiliate link. So you're going to go back to your ClickBank account to get your affiliate link. You remember the link that we created before promoting the product? When we click on promote and we get the unique link, we're going to copy that link. Remember, I told you I don't want you to just share this link to people without capture information. So we're going to capture information. So you're going to copy this link. You're going to capture information before they visit this page, which is the product. So what you're going to do, when you edit the page and go to general, you're going to put your affiliate link right here. Put your affiliate link right here where it says and submit go to. So put your affiliate link right here. So I'm going to place my affiliate link right here, and you want to make sure that your affiliate link place in that box, and right above general settings where it says save, you want to click on save. Click on it to make sure the page save properly. So you can see the icon moving. When the page save, like how you save the link, whenever someone enter their first name and their email address and click on register now, it will redirect them to the product, which is their affiliate offer. The same offer that will allow you to make $500 a day or even more. So the next thing you want to do now, you need to integrate this funnel, that whenever someone enter them information, it add them to a database, which is an email sequence. So if you not buy the product same time, you can able to send them update about the product. So you can send them email like a day after them update and didn't buy, or the next day, or the next day, and so on. So the next step is to integrate your autoresponder, and we're going to use Aweber. So we're going to integrate Aweber to this funnel. So stay tuned for the next video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Aruba to this funnel. I don't want this video to be too long. So in the next video, coming video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Aruba to this funnel. Okay? And how to set up these emails so it can able to send out to the customers that didn't purchase on the day they active. I'm going to show you how to write these messages in the next coming video so you can be able to send these customers update about the product. Okay, so what you can do now is just check your funnel to see that it is working properly. So what you're going to do is just click on exit after saving it. Click on exit, and we're going to check this funnel to see how it works, to make sure it works properly. If this don't work properly, like having an affiliate link setting up inside of the funnel, not going to be able to make money. So you want to check this out and see that it is working properly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to check this out by clicking this arrow to review the page. So when I click on that, it's going to open a new tab, and that is going to allow me to preview the funnel and see how the funnel works. So I'm just going to enter a random name and a random email to see how the funnel will redirect, if it will redirect me to the affiliate product. So when I click on submit, when I click on register now, it's going to submit, and then as you can see, it is redirecting me to the exact product, and it allows me to capture those information. So if someone visit this page and they did not take action, if they do not buy this product, I have this person information, I have the person information on my database, so I can send them email about this product over and over and over, or about other product if they do not like this product. I have ability and I have authority to send them more product to check out. So all you need to do is click the link in the description, get your ClickFunnels account, comment below, send me the free funnel, and I will send you the free funnel and get your free funnel set up. And in the next coming video, I'm going to show you how to integrate your funnel. I'm going to show you how to integrate your funnel to Aweber so you can send them email every single day, or however you want to send them. I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step in the next coming video. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified of any video I upload as soon as I upload it. Okay, have a nice day.